1. Understanding the basics of spiritual growth. The journey of spiritual growth starts with understanding its basic principles and how they relate to our minds. Spiritual growth involves more than just religious beliefs. It's about a deeper connection with our inner selves and the universe. At its core, spiritual growth is a process of expanding our consciousness and awareness beyond the everyday physical world. This growth leads us to a greater understanding of our true nature and the latent potential within our minds. It encourages us to look inward, to question, and to seek truths that lie beyond the surface of conventional knowledge. By engaging in spiritual practices, we begin to peel back the layers of our conditioned thinking, revealing a more profound sense of self-awareness. This heightened awareness is not just philosophical. It has practical implications, influencing our thoughts, emotions, and actions in daily life. As we embark on this journey, we'll explore how spiritual growth can transform our understanding of ourselves and the world around us. 2. The role of meditation in unlocking mind's potential. Meditation is a key practice in the journey of spiritual growth and realizing the mind's potential. It serves as a tool to quiet the constant chatter of the mind, allowing us to experience deeper levels of consciousness. Through regular meditation, individuals can cultivate a state of mental clarity and focus, essential for personal growth. This practice is not about escaping reality, but rather about gaining a deeper understanding and connection with it. Meditation can lead to increased self-awareness, helping us to recognize and release limiting beliefs and mental patterns. By calming the mind, meditation opens the door to heightened intuition and creativity, tapping into areas of the brain typically underutilized. It also plays a significant role in stress reduction, improving overall mental and emotional well-being. As we delve deeper into meditation, we discover its power to transform not only our spiritual understanding, but also our day-to-day life experiences. 3. The impact of mindfulness on spiritual growth. Mindfulness is a cornerstone practice in the journey towards spiritual growth and expanding the mind's capabilities. It involves being fully present in the moment, observing thoughts and sensations without judgment. This practice teaches us to become more aware of our habitual reactions to daily events, creating space for more conscious responses. Mindfulness enhances our ability to connect with our inner selves, fostering a deeper understanding of our thoughts and emotions. By practicing mindfulness, we learn to detach from the mental noise and find peace in the present moment. This heightened state of awareness can lead to a profound sense of inner calm and balance, essential for spiritual growth. Mindfulness not only benefits our spiritual well-being, but also has positive effects on our physical and mental health. As we explore mindfulness further, we'll uncover its transformative power in bringing about a more enlightened and peaceful state of being. 4. The connection between spiritual beliefs and mind expansion. Spiritual beliefs play a significant role in shaping our journey towards mind expansion and spiritual growth. These beliefs provide a framework for understanding the deeper aspects of our existence and our place in the universe. Engaging with spiritual beliefs can open our minds to new perspectives and dimensions of thought. This expansion is not about accepting ideas blindly, but rather exploring and questioning to form a deeper, personal understanding. Spiritual beliefs often encourage the exploration of existential questions, leading to greater self-awareness and insight. Through this exploration, individuals often discover a sense of purpose and meaning that transcends everyday experiences. Such beliefs can also foster a sense of connectedness with others and the world around us, enhancing our sense of empathy and compassion. As we delve into various spiritual beliefs, we'll see how they contribute to the broadening of our mental horizons and the enrichment of our spiritual lives. 5. The influence of yoga on spiritual and mental growth. Yoga is more than just a physical exercise. It's a holistic practice that significantly contributes to spiritual and mental growth. Originating from ancient spiritual traditions, yoga combines physical postures, breath control, and meditation. These elements work synergistically to unify the mind, body, and spirit, fostering a deeper sense of harmony and balance. Through regular yoga practice, individuals often experience a reduction in stress and an increase in mental clarity. Yoga postures asanas are designed not only to strengthen the body, but also to calm the mind, preparing it for deeper spiritual exploration. The breathing techniques pranayama in yoga help regulate the flow of energy within the body, enhancing mental focus and tranquility. Yoga also promotes self-discipline and mindfulness, essential qualities for spiritual growth and mind expansion. As we explore the various aspects of yoga, we'll discover its profound impact on our spiritual journey and the enhancement of our cognitive capabilities. 6. The role of nature in enhancing spiritual awareness. Nature plays a vital role in enhancing spiritual awareness and contributing to the expansion of the mind. Immersing oneself in nature can lead to a profound sense of connectedness with the world, breaking down barriers of self-centered thinking. The natural world offers a unique environment for meditation and mindfulness practices, providing a peaceful backdrop that encourages inner tranquility. Observing the rhythms and cycles of nature can lead to a deeper understanding of life's impermanence and interconnectivity. Spending time in nature often inspires awe and wonder, feelings that can stimulate spiritual exploration and growth. The simplicity and beauty of the natural world can help quiet the mind, making it more receptive to introspection and spiritual insights. Engaging with nature also has tangible benefits for mental health, reducing stress and enhancing overall well-being. In this section, we'll delve into how nature serves as a catalyst for spiritual awakening and the enrichment of our mental landscape. 7. The power of gratitude in spiritual growth. Gratitude is a powerful practice that significantly contributes to spiritual growth and mental expansion. It involves acknowledging and appreciating the positive aspects of life, even in challenging circumstances. Cultivating an attitude of gratitude shifts our focus from what we lack to what we have, fostering a sense of abundance. This shift in perspective can lead to increased feelings of happiness, contentment, and overall life satisfaction. Practicing gratitude regularly can help rewire the brain to be more positive, affecting our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. It encourages a deeper connection with others, enhancing empathy and reducing feelings of envy or resentment. Gratitude can also deepen our spiritual connections, as it often involves acknowledging something greater than ourselves. In this section, we'll explore the transformative effects of gratitude on our spiritual journey and its ability to open our minds to a greater sense of fulfillment and purpose. 8. The importance of community in spiritual growth. Community plays a crucial role in the process of spiritual growth and the expansion of the mind. Being part of a spiritual community provides a sense of belonging and support, essential in our journey of self-discovery and growth. Sharing experiences with others on a similar path can offer valuable perspectives and insights, enhancing our own understanding. Communities often provide guidance, mentorship, and resources that can be instrumental in navigating the complexities of spiritual exploration. Engaging in communal practices, such as group meditation or discussions, can amplify the collective energy and motivation for personal growth. A supportive community can also offer encouragement and accountability, helping us to stay committed to our spiritual practices. In a community setting, we learn the importance of compassion, empathy, and service to others, which are key aspects of spiritual development. This section will delve into how being part of a spiritual community enriches our journey and contributes to a more profound and shared understanding of our mental and spiritual capacities. 9. the significance of personal rituals and spiritual practices. Personal rituals hold significant value in the practice of spiritual growth and mind expansion. Rituals, whether simple or elaborate, provide a structured approach to spiritual practices, enhancing focus and intention. They can range from daily meditation sessions to specific acts performed on meaningful occasions or settings. Creating personal rituals allows for a deeper engagement with spiritual practices, making them more impactful and resonant. These rituals can act as anchors, helping to maintain a consistent practice even amidst the chaos of daily life. Engaging in personal rituals often leads to a heightened sense of sacredness and connectedness with the deeper aspects of life. They can also serve as a means of self-expression, allowing individuals to incorporate their unique beliefs and values into their spiritual journey. In this section, we'll explore the importance of personal rituals and how they aid in cultivating a disciplined, meaningful, and enriching spiritual life. 10. The integration of spiritual practices into daily life. Integrating spiritual practices into daily life is essential for continuous spiritual growth and mind expansion. Spiritual practices shouldn't be confined to specific times or places. They can be woven into the fabric of everyday life. Simple practices like mindful breathing or expressing gratitude can be done at any time, enhancing presence and awareness. Incorporating spirituality into daily routines helps to maintain a constant connection with our inner selves and the universe. This integration allows for a seamless blend of spiritual growth with practical life, making spirituality a living, breathing part of our existence. It leads to a more mindful approach to daily tasks and interactions, infusing ordinary moments with deeper meaning and purpose. Consistently practicing spirituality in daily life cultivates resilience, peace, and a grounded sense of being, even in the face of life's challenges. This section will delve into practical ways to incorporate spiritual practices into everyday life, ensuring a holistic approach to personal development and mindfulness.